Salsa Ninjas. Today we're going to learn the crossbody lead. I'm Juana.
And I'm Herman. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more salsa tutorials. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, in this video we're going to do a crossbody lead. This is one of the first salsa turns that you need to learn as a beginner. This is what it looks like. 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'll do it one more time. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's the crossbody lead. The first thing we're going to do is break the steps for the women, for the followers. So let's jump right into it. Following us, starting with the right foot in the same place, let's do a basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now from here, I'm going to step together on 1. I am going to step with my left foot forward on 2, and then I am going to turn around to my left, 3. And I am going to turn halfway. My weight now lands on the right foot. Let's try that again. Scooting a little bit back. 5, 6, 7. Right, go straight into it. 2, then 3. The next step is you're going to bring it back in place. Okay, let's take it from here. Very slow with your feet together. 1, step forward with your left. 2, turn around to the left. 3, bring it back in place. Okay, again, 5, 6, 7, together, forward, turn around, together, back in place. Okay, so that's the footwork for the followers, for the women. Now for the men, what do we do? Watch a second. Basic step, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, and on the 7th step, I am going to start to open up slightly to my left. Open up my left shoulder, and I'm going to position my right foot. If this is 12 o'clock facing directly here, I'm going to place it so that I'm facing now like 11. Then I step on 1 completely out of the way. I'm facing now 90 degrees from the wall. So perpendicular to the wall. Let's see it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. This is where I prepare. On 1, I'm facing this way. Then I go backwards. 2, just like in the basic step. Then I step 3. My weight is on the left foot. And I'm starting to shift now. 5 together. 6 steps forward. 7 in the same place. Let's see it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, open up, back, 2, 3, and then together on 5, facing now the completely opposite from when we started, forward in place. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I start to open, back, 1, 2, 3, and then turn around, 5, 6, 7. All right, guys, so that's the footwork for the men. Now we're going to put it together with a partner. So watch us do it together. All right, guys, so here it is, together with your partner. Basic step first, and then women, you're going to do the together, forward, turn around, together, back in place. For us, for the men, we're going to start to open up on 7 and lead them across. 1, 2, 3. At first, I'm starting out with 1 hand, 6, 7. I open up. Girls, you're going to walk across. Men, with your left hand, you're going to pull them forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I do it again. 1, 2, 3. Men, with your left hand, you're going to pull them forward. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice for her, she's traveling in a straight line. So when I do this, I make sure to pull forward in a straight line. I don't pull towards me. Okay, so make sure you pull forward as you open up. You open up the door, you let her through, and then you close it. 6, 7. I'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's the crossbody lead. Now let me show you one more tip. It's called the close position. For the women, on 6, you're gonna lift up the hand up and over your partner, and for the men, for the leaders, you're gonna go to the waist and you're gonna catch them. That happens on 6 as I step close to her. So watch a second. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm in the close position. I lead with the right hand here. With this hand, this is the one that leads. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. One more time. 1, 2, 3. I catch her. 6, 7. Lead her across. 5, 6, 7. Again, for the men, leading in a straight line. For the women, remembering that you're walking in a straight line. Okay? All right, guys, so that's the crossbody lead. Practice it, and let's do it now with music.
Making it all the way to the end of the video.
Awesome. Hey, listen, subscribe here for more salsa tutorials. We want to turn you into a salsa ninja. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Practice that and see you soon.